If you love the look of stained glass, and honestly, who doesn't? But you don't have the time, the skill, or the money to invest in all of those tools. Well, I have a simple solution for you in today's quick tip. I was at Hobby Lobby yesterday and I found this really nice cathedral-style window combination wall shelf. It was 50% off. I paid only $17 for this. I thought it would look really nice if I could fill it with some stained glass. Now, to do that, I could cut a bunch of smaller pieces and solder them together. And I've done that style plenty of times. But what if you wanted something beautiful, simple, and quick, using tools that you already have at home? Let me explain how easy this project is going to be. All you really need is a large piece of stained glass. This one is a really nice looking piece. It looks like a clouded sky. I paid up for this. I think I paid about $30. I'm not really sure. I bought it a long time ago knowing it was going to come in handy someday. And today is that day. So my plan is to cut this to fit perfectly inside the back of this window. Now, this metal lattice is going to sit on top, and this is going to give me the look of real lead lines without all that complicated work. Now that's it. Quick, simple, and I think it's going to look amazing. Let's get started.
Pick up a frame from the hobby store. One piece of glass and you don't need more. No cutters, no lead, no fancy flair. Just your two hands and a dream to share. Blue as the sky, soft as a sigh. Clouds drift by, oh my, oh my. It's a window to the sky. Catch the sun as it goes by. Easy steps and you can try. To the sky, window to the sky. Hold the light in a different way. Shapes that dance in a bright ballet. The tools they said you'd need to buy. Not today, just simplify. It's a window to the sky. Catch the sun as it goes by. Easy steps and you can try. A window to the sky. The colors bend, the shadows play. A masterpiece in a single day. Who says you need the hardest road when beauty shines with a lighter road? A window to the sky.
And there you have it, instant stained glass. Well, it took about an hour to turn this into a beautiful piece of stained glass without all the sweat, the burns, and why did I start this project moments. People are going to think that you did way more work than you actually did. I think you can also flip this and earn a few bucks in the process. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone you like. And if you didn't enjoy this video, then share it with someone you don't like. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picton. Thanks for watching today's Quick Tip.
A window to the sky.